how I sell photography online through the hobby, which I do. Now if you shop through any of the links in the video description below, I will get a commission at no extra cost to you, and by subscribing to the channel both will help. Thank you. So my hobby is showing dogs, which I've done for over 35 years now. And with that hobby and my photography, I can tie the two together. I will not photograph a whole dog show. You know, I don't want to. I'd rather be showing my dog than photographing the dog show. But what I will do is like a little 10-minute mini photo shoot, because over the years there has a lot of rules have come into force, which I'm actually pleased about as a dog show exhibitor. It doesn't really work for photographers though. So there's a lot to it, from videoing and taking photographs. But mainly you cannot photograph a dog in the ring without the owner's permission if you want to sell the photo. Which I used to do. A lot of people used to just sit at the side of the ring and take photos and then they could sell them. But really, if you read the rules, you can't do that. But I know a lot of people in the dog show world, and they know I do photography, and will say, I really want a photo shoot with the dog, of the show dog, in a show dog standing position, a headshot and the dog and the owner together. So I'll do like a little mini photo shoot away from the show, whether that be in the car park or go and find a little corner away from the dog show. And then I can sell that to the dog owner online through a photo sharing gallery, basically. Just the same as I would sell my event photography, or, you know, if someone's going to come and have a private commission, we're going to go and do a photo shoot for an hour. Exactly the same way, which is through SmugMug. Now I do have a 15% discount off any new account with SmugMug. If you click on the link below in the video, that will activate the discount off your yearly plan. You know, but you can try it free for 14 days, so it's worth having a look at. Now these little mini photo shoots, what I can do of the dog, I don't charge for. Don't charge for that because it is at the dog show I'm doing the photo shoot, but also I know how fussy people can be about the photo of the dog stood out. I'm the same. You only need the foot like an inch out of place or the tail not quite right, and it's not the photography what's wrong, it's actually how the person has stood the dog. So I don't charge for the photo shoot. It is a case of I take a few photos of the dog, I'll send them online to the dog owner, and if they want to buy them, they can then buy direct off the gallery of photos which I send, which are watermarked. They've had a price list applied to, and I actually, which I do with the other photo galleries, what I send out to clients on other photo shoots, I will apply packages even though there's only a few photos there. And how I do that, like usual, is upload to a SmugMug gallery, then I'll title the gallery, whether that be the dog's name or the owner's name, and I'll put the shopping cart, switch the shopping cart on. It's as simple as that. And then you can share that gallery. If you've got your price list set up, share that gallery online. You know, all you need to do is copy the gallery link. There you go. Have a look at the photos of your dog. That's it. That's how easy it is to make a little bit of money out of my dog showing hobby, photographing dogs at dog shows. To set up a price list, you just go to the selling tools. You can create a new price list. If you turn off suggested pricing, you can then go in and choose your products, because in the case of what I'm doing, it's usually a digital download, what somebody wants. They may want a few prints. So that's all I will add in to the price list. You can click on the product, whether that be a download or the prints, and then put in the price what you would like to sell that digital download for or your print for. It is that simple. Apply the price list to the gallery, and there you go. That's it. That is how simple it is to sell the photography online with the hobby, what I do. That really is it. There is so much you can do. Whatever idea you've got of how you would like to sell your photography, you can do through that, I guarantee. I.e., if you want to go and do a photo shoot, but include digital downloads, so you're going to charge £100 or £99 for a photo shoot, which includes one digital download or 3 or 5, you can do that. If you want to sell print packages, you can, whatever your idea is, there is so much you can do with SmugMug. But in the case of these little 10-minute little dog show or show dog photo shoots, that's it. I've created a different little price list, which includes one high-res digital download, because that's what they're going to want, whether they're going to want to use the photo of their dog for advertising purposes on their website, through social media, whether they're going to create an advert later on in the year and use it for that. They can buy the whole gallery, which might only be 5 photos. But I will also add in packages, which you can do through the selling tools, create a package, a digital package. So now you can buy 2 photos, and they're going to be a little bit cheaper than buying 1, or you can buy 3, which again can be a little bit cheaper. You can set the package up yourself, apply that to your gallery, or you can apply that package to all your galleries. There's so much you can do. And again, you can do the same with a print package. If you want to sell 10 prints, 2 prints, you can set the price and apply the package to the gallery, or to all your galleries. If all your galleries are going to be exactly the same, you're going to go and do the same kind of photo shoot, well, you don't need loads of different prices, do you? But packages are dead good, and it'll give people money off. SmugMug do also have coupons. So again, in your selling tools, coupons. This way you can do money off or give them a discount. This is good for if you're doing a massive event. Doing a big event, it don't have to be massive, it could be some kind of event. Now, to almost encourage people to buy sooner, rather than sit there staring at the photos for ages, weeks, deciding which ones they want, you can give them 10%, 20%, 30%, whatever percent you want off, or even money off, however you want to do it, percent or money off. Money off if they spend a certain amount. There's so many ways of tweaking it. I don't need to do money off on these little photo shoots, but what I've done is put a package of 2 digital downloads. What you can also do, I've got the dog on me, he's heard the ice cream van outside. He's a lemon. Aren't you? So what you can also do, sell your photography online, your hobby photography, but you can also, you get a website. Now don't phase yourself, it is so easy to use. What I do with the website, what SmugMug provide, which is within, you've got your galleries to sell, you've got your galleries to store your photos. My dogs are on the actual SmugMug website, and then I've got the galleries coming off it too. And the idea of the SmugMug website really is to create your photography portfolio online. That is the idea of it, and I've actually got a video how to do that, how to build your photography portfolio online using SmugMug, which is so easy to do. That's the idea of that, but you can also put the gallery you are selling on the website. So if you are going to, as your hobby, start taking photos, whatever that hobby may be, and start selling a little bit of your photography, you can put the galleries onto the website. And then all you've got to share is your actual website address, which may be your domain name. I've got a page on my website about the domain name, your website address. Well, then when people land on it, in the case of dog shows, it's all the same people what go to the same shows. And if you're not probably going to be photographing dog shows, but whatever it is, whether it's dancing, motorbikes, cycling, whatever kind of event, well, all the events can be on the website. So they can go, oh, actually, I didn't realise it got photos there. Click on. That's how it works. So that is how I sell my photography online. And I do have other videos. I'll put a whole playlist up there. Or is it down there now? You'll be able to find it. There's lots of different videos, from setting up your price list to the digital downloads, create digital download. There's all sorts. I need to do some new ones. So if there's anything you want me to show you how to do, whether that be setting up your packages, setting up those coupons for discounts, money off, or anything else, you can put it in there, in the video description, and I'll look into doing a new video. I do also have videos how how I made my dog's website, which is a Smug Mug website. So if you look in there, if you do want to create some pages on your website, well, the concept's the same. And have a look at the dog's website, because that is Smug Mug. And it doesn't have to be black. It's like an off black, my website. My dog's photos look better on there, and I like the colour of it because it matches my dog's. But you can have white, so don't think it's got to all be dark. You can have white, you can have any colour you like. That is so easy to change the colour. They're nice and bright and white. And I think that how to build a photography portfolio website is on a white. It's on a white template. There you go. Discount below. I've got a dog show tomorrow. I'll go and get my dog ready now.